In this video, let me show you how to fix TikTok voice effects not working. So if you're having this issue, the first thing that you can do in this situation is try to clear the app cache of the TikTok app. So what you can do is head over to your profile on the bottom right and then head over to the three lines on the top right. Once you're here, head over to settings and privacy, scroll down until you see the section of free up space and then just tap on the clear option. Once you complete this step, make sure you first close the application of TikTok, which means that you can remove the TikTok app from the recent app list and try to see if this fixes the issue. If the issue still persists or the option of the voice effect is still missing, then you can ensure that you record directly within the TikTok app. So instead of recording outside, you can just use the TikTok platform to record your voices and try to see if the issue is now fixed. But however, if the issue still persists, even after doing both of these steps, the last thing that you can try out is try to reinstall the TikTok application onto your device. This is likely due to app bugs or app glitches. So once you download and have the latest version of the application, this should help to fix the issue. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.